This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Bybit in a desktop browser and signing into your verified account. Once logged in, make sure two-factor authentication is set up. This prevents later permission errors. Next, navigate to your profile menu, then to API Management. You need that page open now. Don't waste time enabling 2FA mid-process. Instead, confirm it's active. Doing this ensures API key creation won't be blocked for security reasons, and you'll be ready for the next steps. You click Create New Key and enter a descriptive label so you remember its purpose. Then, choose permissions carefully. Include read for data, trade if you need orders, and avoid withdraw unless absolutely required. Once done, set IP restrictions, add your server's static IP to lock access, or leave it open temporarily for testing, but plan to restrict it later. After confirming, Bybit will prompt for 2FA, approve it, because that's how the platform verifies it's you creating the key. You'll see the API key and the secret. Copy both now because the secret is shown only once. Paste the secret into a secure vault or encrypted notes tool. Make sure you never expose it publicly. Once saved, run a minimal test call from your application to verify permissions and connectivity. If the call fails, check 2FA, IP restrictions, and that permissions match the request. A common fix is adjusting IP allow list entries. Update that, then retest to confirm successful access.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.